Hello, hello, this is Kristen. So this is just a little vlog from my day, my extra day I had to spend here in Carbondale. It's about 8:45 at night now. I don't know, I thought that I might go out actually and at least do something, but I didn't really go out. The cute little bookshop that was here years ago is no longer there. The really nice burger place that I would get really good burgers at is no longer there, but I gotta say it's been about 15 years since I have been down here. But I'm still sad about the bookshop. I guess there's a Barnes and Noble like a mile and a half, 2 miles away, but I really didn't want to go to Barnes and Noble. Like local independent bookshops, hell yeah, but Barnes and Noble, not really. But I did DoorDash food. I got lunch at Chili's, and I still have half a burger left. And I have chicken fajitas, so that's cool. I did actually go out and I got pop, I got Diet Coke, and a Red Bull for tomorrow, sugar-free. And I also got Carb Balance. I think they're from Mission tortillas with the Carb Balance to go with my chicken fajitas, so I was happy to see those. So that actually made for a very decent meal to have out here. And it was really funny, actually, while I was there, some random dudes just stopped me and goes,
"Excuse me, do bell peppers go on salad?"
And I'm just like, what sort of question is this? I don't understand. So that was random. And yeah, I just kind of spent the day in here. I saw lights flashing outside and there was an emergency vehicle, and I thought, oh shit, something's going down. No, it was just the fire truck and the firemen were inspecting, what do you call it? Words. They were inspecting the fire hydrant in front of the hotel, so that was kind of funny. And then I watched Dynamite from yesterday, and I was very excited to see. He's not Aleister Black anymore. I think they're calling him Malachi Black. I might have to see if that's the case. But a very good wrestler from WWE. And everyone was really surprised because usually when a wrestler is released or whatever from WWE, they have a 90-day no-compete clause. Well, it looks like this guy, he only had a 30-day because he did pop up. And the weird thing is, his wife re-signed with WWE or whatever, and she was the whole one, Selena Vega, by the way. She's the whole one that tried to get a union together for wrestlers, and so I don't know what happened with that, but she apparently deleted tweets too. So yeah, I don't know. But it was a good show. I enjoyed that. I did end up having a really red face. Okay, so I'm already taking my makeup off. I think when I went outside, I got bit by a bug because I got this showing through my makeup, some sort of reaction, so I took my makeup off super early. It was also really humid, even though I got AC going. It's been kind of humid down here, and it did rain. It rained a lot, actually, and I just went out at the perfect time because it started raining 10 minutes or something after I got back into my room. For a while it rained pretty hard, and then the sun came out. So just a little while ago I did make myself one chicken fajita with the Carb Balance tortillas. Yes, my room has, this is kind of nice, it's all sweets. It doesn't even have an oven or stovetop, but it does have a full-size refrigerator, a dishwasher, and it has a microwave, so it's actually kind of nice to have, especially being stuck down here a whole day. Right now I'm currently watching Good Omens, but of course I wanted to make this video so that I could have a video up for tomorrow. I'm hoping to go to sleep early today because I did wake up early because, in my head I gotta go work. But also I had used this Makeup Revolution, this Forever Flawless Utopia palette. I'm going to use it tomorrow, and that'll be my 10th. I'm just going to call it my 10th time using it. I'm pretty sure it's been 10 times, but this is going to be it for this palette. And then I'm actually thinking about doing a full review video. Let me know what you think about that. I know it's an older palette, but they still sell it. That's the whole reason why I got it, because I bought it at Target. But so yeah, I was thinking about doing a full review, and it would be an actual review because I have used it now 10 times. Or more, I don't know, but so I'm probably gonna do that. And also, speaking of tomorrow, so very exciting, we are going to a wrestling show. Now my train gets in before 1 o'clock, and I'm usually home by 3 if I've gone to the store. to buy pop or some food or whatever. So barring anything like actually bad happening, I should be home in time and to go to the show. If something like super bad happens and we're late or whatever, I can either get my husband to pick me up in the train yards and I can leave my car there, or I can go meet him. I forget where it is. It's in Illinois somewhere. It's AAW Pro. But I'm definitely gonna do a vlog on that because, like I said, I do want to get more wrestling content up on this bitch. So yes, that will be fun. But yeah, so that was my day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that I am a daily uploader. In the comments below, I want you to tell me, what do you think about my upload time? I feel like I'm not getting as many views on my videos when I started going at 3 p.m. Do you have a preferred time that you watch videos or a preferred time when you upload videos? I'm thinking about changing it back to 10 a.m. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I will talk to you later. Bye.